Use the Pythagorean theorem to solve for the unknown side of the right triangle using the given information. So the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're given the Pythagorean theorem right here, we just need to solve for this b. So it's going to be 7 squared plus b squared equals 12 squared. So 7 squared is 49, then plus b squared equals 12 times 12, which is 144. Now I'm going to subtract 49. B squared equals 144 minus 49, which is 95. So I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So b is going to be equal to square root of 95. Now notice I didn't use a plus or minus here. And when we're dealing with the Pythagorean theorem, we're dealing with distance. Distance can only be a positive number. So I ignored the negative square root in this case. Now 95, that's 19 times 5, which are both prime numbers, so it can't be reduced. So b equals radical 95. Next one, a squared plus 9 squared equals 13 squared. Well, a squared and then plus 81 equals 13 times 13 is 169. Subtract 81 from both sides. So a squared equals 88. Now take the square root of both sides, so a equals square root of 88. So a equals square root of 4 times square root of 22. So a equals 2 square root 22. And if you're unable to do this reducing of radical 88 mentally, you can always do upside down division. I knew that it was 4 times 22, so that made it easier. Next one, 4 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 5 times 5 is 25, equals c squared. 16 plus 25 is 41, c squared. So radical 41 equals c. And radical 41 cannot be reduced, so I'm going to match that up. For the fourth one, a squared plus 10 squared equals 14 squared. A squared plus 10 squared equals 14 squared. A squared plus 10 times 10 is 100 equals 14 times 14, which I don't know off the top of my head. So I'm going to do 14 times 14, carry the 1, 0, 14, 196. So 196. Subtract 100 from both sides. A squared equals 96. So a equals radical 96. Take the square root of both sides. I'm going to use upside down division on this 96. 96. A 2 goes in because it's an even number. And that's going to make 48. Divided by 2, 24. Divided by 2, 12. Divided by 2, 6. Divided by 2, 3. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's and then a 3. So I can take out 1 pair, 2 pairs, and then leave the 2 and the 3 inside. So it's going to be a equals 2 times 2 times radical of 2 times 3. So a equals 4 radical 6. And that one matches up right here.